If you're thinking about starting an advertising business, you might be worried about competition. You might be thinking like, how many businesses are really out there? How many businesses could I really run ads for? So in this video, I'm going to talk a bit more about competition and why as an ads manager, it's really like selling the shovels during a gold rush, because everyone that has a business, they need to advertise. And businesses right now want to be advertising on social media because advertising is changing as an industry, and the most effective type of advertising currently is on social media. My name is Sarah Ives. Thank you for being here. I have a passion for teaching women how to start highly profitable ads businesses in about 90 days. I have an advertising business myself, meaning we run ads for other businesses. It is creative, collaborative. It's an amazing business to have. If you want to learn a little bit more about how I got started and the 7 steps I took, I do have a free guide below and a free training manual, which you can click and get for free. So let's dive into the topic for today, which is, isn't it highly competitive as an ads manager? Okay, I've got some good news for you. I'm going to actually read you something that I share. So I've actually taught hundreds of students how to start successful advertising businesses. And the women that join my program all have the same concern. Some of them voice them out loud, and other women don't say anything, but they're secretly worried. And the worry is that of competition. Like, you know, with so many ads managers, how can I be successful? Let me read some stats to you. This is one of the first things I share with the students in my program. If you want to make 30 to 40K per month in this business, you need 20 clients. The way the advertising business works is businesses will typically pay you about $2,000 per month. So to make $10,000 a month, $10,000, you need approximately 5 to 6 clients, each paying $2,000 a piece. Simple, right? So say we were to overshoot that, and not only do you want to make 10K, but you want to make 30K or 40K per month, you'd only need 20 clients, because 20 times 2 is $40,000. So if each one of us in this program, this is what you say as a woman, had 20 clients this month, we would be helping 4,000 businesses collectively, okay? And I think that's on an estimation of around 200 people. So if there were 200 ads managers helping 20 people each, which means each one of those ads managers would be making $40,000 a month, which is totally possible, we'd be helping 4,000 people. That's only 4,000 people. Now, realistically, how many businesses could we actually help? There are 31.7 million small businesses in the US, and then in Canada separately, there are 1.15 million small businesses. These figures do not include medium or large size businesses. These are just small businesses. I predominantly serve small businesses, just so you know. The people that come to us for our advertising services are small businesses. But I do have colleagues who run ads for medium and large size businesses as well. Now, that's a lot of money. You're making a lot of impact, and you're serving the smallest market share of the market. Okay, you think, maybe I want to make even more money though, Sarah. I don't want to just make 40K per month. I want to make 83K per month, which is $1 million a year. So in order to do this, you would need 100 clients who stay with you for 3 months and therefore invest around 10K, which is actually the average. You actually need 100 clients to do this. So to make $1 million in your advertising agency, you need approximately 100 clients. 100 clients out of 31.7 million businesses that exist. So if each one of us had 100 clients and hit $1 million, we'd collectively serve 20,000 businesses. So say all of us get 100 clients each, which is a lot. We each make $1 million. We're serving collectively 20,000 people. 20,000 businesses out of 32 million small businesses, the percentage is 0.06%. 0.6%. So the women in my program could literally double, triple, quadruple, and we'd still be only serving a very small percentage of the entire market that exists. So I hope you're catching my drift. When you're running a valued service like advertising who deals directly with a service for businesses, so businesses are willing to invest in ad services because they know that gets them more leads and sales and makes them successful, competition is not a worry. Not at all. Now, are there some industries where competition is a worry? Of course. But for the ads business, there are so many businesses that need our services that there is truly more than enough clients to go around. I hope this makes you feel good. If you're thinking about starting an ads business, we would love to speak to you. You can set up a call with someone on my team or me, and I'd love to answer your questions. If you've got any other questions too, don't forget to drop them in the comments below. And if you like this channel and you like what I'm talking about, subscribe to my channel and turn on that notifications bell. I hope this video is helpful and can't wait to see you next week.